Hi all, welcome back to Engineers Tech Hub channel. So in this video we will discuss ADP interview question for automation test engineer 2 to 5 year of experience in 2021. So this is the recent question which is asked in the ADP, and the people who has someone has attended and they have shared with me these questions. So again, almost question are repeated. You can see that tell me about yourself, right? So this is the first, if you will attend any interview, so this is the first question, tell me about yourself. So I already made the answer for that. So in the last of the video I will share with you how to get this answer. So again, again, a second question is what is locator and types of locators. So again, this is very easy. If you sorry, if you are working in the selenium, or if you're doing the preparation of the selenium, so you should know, we having the locators. So like we having the 8 types of the locator. So you can, that is also very easy question, so you can simply give the answer. So they have given some text, HTML doc, and id was there, and you have to write the XPath for id. Okay, that is also easy one, like simple. You have to write the tag name, then attribute name, then you have to give the value. This is very easy question. Write a program to find the duplicate character in the string. So this is the common question, guys. I could see in almost company they are asking this question, and we having the simple way to write this program. You can use HashMap, and by using the HashMap you can simply write this code. What is overriding? Overloading in Java. Write a program for overriding and overloading. Again, we having the what is overriding and overloading. So what is overriding? Like overriding, uh, in up concept we having the polymorphism. In polymorphism, by how to achieve the polymorphism? By using the overriding and overloading concept. So again, I already told you I'm not going to give you here 100% solution, but I will guide you how to get some solution, and you can make the solution yourself. Again, I'm going to tell you, this is the suggestion. If you are attending the, if you are getting the call from ADP, might be your panel is different, so might be they will not ask you all the same question, right? So here if you are doing the preparation, so you will get here what, some types you will get here some idea which type of the question they are asking. They will not ask you the panel the same question, but if you are doing the preparation, you can take the help of this question. Are you able to give the answer or not, right? So you have to do preparation for complete syllabus. So someone will ask what is overriding. So overriding means redefining superclass non-static method in subclass with the same prototype but be having the different implementation. That is called overriding. That is the what is, right? Then what is the rules for overriding? We cannot override in the same class because the method signature is same, right? We cannot override in the same class. This is the rules for the overriding. Again, return type must be same, method signature must be same. How to execute the method overriding? So method overriding will execute which type of the method, which type of the object you are holding. So again, I'm not going to discuss in the depth. Okay, so what is overloading? So overloading means we having the same method name but we are passing the different parameter or different order. That is called method overloading. End of the video I will show you how to get complete answer for that, and how to write the code for overriding and overloading. What is wait statement in Selenium? Again, this is the common question. You should know all the wait statements. So common wait statement in Selenium: implicit wait, explicit wait, fluent wait, right? And you should know where we can use in the real time. You should also know how to write the code for that. Okay, have you developed the framework? If you are like showing the 2 year of experience, you cannot tell I have developed the framework. Yeah, if you join the some a startup company, might you will get the opportunity to develop the framework. But if you having the 5 year of the experience, then you have to tell them here, yeah, I, or you having the different way to give the answer. I will tell like some of the framework was already there, but I have added some new functionality in that framework, but I did not get the opportunity to the develop the framework. If you already develop your own framework, then you can clearly tell, yeah, I have developed the framework. What is method hiding? So again, this is the method hiding means redefining superclass a static method in subclass with same prototype, but we having the different implementation. That is called method hiding. So here again question is, can we override main method? No, we cannot override main method because main method is static. If you have a superclass and subclass same method prototype and we having a static method, we can hide that method, but we cannot override. Write a program to reverse each character in a string. So again, these are the common questions. So please search on the Google if you're not aware of that, and you can write your answer, proper answer and code. So I will show you every video. I'm going to show you. I have my own YouTube channel and I already made just some common interview question and answer. Just give me a second. My system is bit hanging. Just give me a second. So till now, just I'm going to, what I have told you. So whatever the topic you are learning, even it is a Selenium or even it is a Java, you have to know proper definition. You have to know the code, and we should not, you should you if you are writing any code, you have to understand that code also. We cannot write any code blindly. One second, my system is going to stuck. Yeah, so I have already my channel. You can go to my channel, Engineers Tech Hub. In this channel, whatever the questions I have shared with you, you will get the answer, proper answer with code as well. So you can type here, if you will go in the YouTube, you can type here Engineers Tech Hub. Okay, Engineers Tech Hub. Okay, if you will go in this channel, so many people are struggling. They did not work in the real time and they are stuck in the real time interview question and answer. So you can go to this playlist, you will get many things here. Like I have made the some playlist. So let me, I'll show you. So this is the playlist where you will get, all the real time common interview question and answer which is asked frequently in the interview. You can see first question is, what the challenge you have faced. Again, what is your roles and responsibility in your current project? What is your day-to-day activity? So
This is the exact skill.
many people did not work in the real time, but they are trying to get the job. Many people have already done the courses, but they are not able to clear the interview, right? So these are the common questions. I have made it, right? And you can go through this playlist. I already uploaded some video for UST Global Interview Question, Deloitte, Genpact, and today I have shared ADP. One more simple announcement. So let me show you here. Like if you are not able to clear interview, right? If you are not good in the Java, you can refer the Java playlist. So here also we'll get the theory with code also. And one more thing, I also provide real-time training. Okay, so my training is based on not only for basics. So we start, if you don't know anything or if you want to start your career in testing, manual or automation testing, so we provide a scratch level of the training. Okay, so we start from zero to experience level. Experience level means I'm not going to teach you only basics. So we will start from zero level and we will go for how we are working in the company. So after completing the training, you having the like 4 to 5 year of experience, you are not able to crack the interview. You can able to survive in the company as well. And we having the some a special batch. So many people are struggling to crack the interview because of any reason. So we provide the, we having the special session where we provide, how to do the preparation. We will do the preparation for the interview. So we will provide you soft copy, we will provide you recording video as well. So you will get proper interview question and answer as well. And in my session, I'm teaching since more than 5 year, and in my session we having the 100% placement. The people who joined in my session, all of them, you can go through this feedback. So many people got job in top level of the MNC company. So still you are struggling to how to crack the interview and all, please reach out to me. If you want to join my live session, please reach out to me. I will give you description in the link. You can, if you want to join, how to, if you are still struggling to crack the interview, right? So we having the separate session for only interview preparation. Then we will prepare for your resume. If you did not work in the real time, what project you have to give, or if, and we can take the mock live interview. Okay, so you will get here some playlist. I already have uploaded some video for mock interview, here. Okay, so I will take your mock interview until you will get the job. So every weekend you have to give the mock interview, and we will guide you where you are lacking. You can see here, you can just go through this website also, sorry, this playlist, so you will get some live how we are going to do the preparation. And we having the 100% placement. More than, almost people, the people who join in my session, all the people got job here. And many of the people even they got the job, but they did not give the feedback. But some of them, they have given the feedback. And the people not having the only one offer letter, they have a multiple offer letter, you can see here. So again, thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this video. I need your support, right? Please share, subscribe my channel, and press bell icon, so when I will upload any new video, you will get the notification. So happy learning, and try your best. If you're facing any issue, please reach out to me, or still you are not able to crack the interview, please reach out to me. I will definitely help you guys. Thank you.